Welcome back to another vlogcation. I think we are on day 7. Pretty sure, because today's Wednesday. 4th of July was Sunday. 7. So, vlogcation day 7. So as you can see, Elsa's gone. Wasn't too bad. There was a lot of thunder last night, I did hear, so I wasn't able to sleep too much, but I kept jumping up and I was just worried because kids were in the bedroom next to us and I just wanted to make sure they were okay. So they said it was supposed to rain, but it's not really raining right now. It's just really cloudy, so maybe we can go out and do something this morning. It's cool right now, but glad that it wasn't worse than they were thinking. So nothing like being in the first hurricane.
Thing under the water.
Oh, what did Daddy tell you? What's the pokey thing?
The stingray.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of stingrays.
What does
out
Daddy
there.
say to do with your feet when you walk in the water?
Shuffle.
Right?
Yeah.
And I always wore and made Johnny wear boat shoes.
It's the mermaids out there too.
You think there's mermaids out there?
I always thought that too. When I was little, I was like, "Is there's really mermaids?"
There
Mom?
is.
I know.
We were gonna go see the mermaids today, but the park's closed.
I was gonna be one of those.
Did I show you how to shuffle your feet in the water?
Yeah.
How do you shuffle your feet? You don't know? Remember?
Like this.
In the sand.
Ow, my back. That feels good actually. Go like this.
Look at it. I made a tiny thing.
Funny.
I made a tiny.
You like the summer as much as the spring. Tell me again.
I just like the spring.
And you don't like the summer because of the... Do you like the beach? And the...
No, water.
Oh, you don't like the water in the summertime?
No?
You like the spring better
Yeah.
because you don't have to go in the water?
No.
Well, what's the matter with the water?
Because I got to sit down in a towel.
And what happens in the water?
Fall.
You might fall,
Yeah.
and then you gotta be... Do you have to be careful?
Yeah.
Okay, that's smart. You're right. And who holds you when you're in the water, just in case, and you have to be with somebody?
Daddy. And Ronnie needs to hold my hand.
That's right. It's smart. But you don't have to be scared of it because you do have to be cautious. But I think she's nervous because we had the weather warning. But we don't always have bad weather.
But too, she fell in the water, so
On my feet.
Right now?
No.
Oh, in the water?
Yeah.
you're so cute, Bella. But no, I think it's because she fell in the water, and ever since that, she's been very, very cautious.
Well, yeah, because you can go under a wave or something and just get, yeah.
I fall in the pool and mommy's and daddy's.
Yeah. Well, who got you? Who picked you up?
Riley.
Good. Thank you, God.
And I don't have a swimsuit. I got a pajama.
I know she had her pajamas on. She fell in.
Oh, and you were out there with Riley?
And Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Thank God. You never go out by the pool unless you're with somebody.
Okay.
Okay? Promise
Is
me
there
forever?
noise?
Good.
Really? Exactly.
Mickey Mouse.
Where is
Was that Cousin Johnny's?
I don't know if you guys have any.
Aw.
It's got ears.
Yeah.
She had a... Go like that. Like that.
Is that better?
Is it coming? Wait, turn it like this. Like Nana taught Johnny. There you go! Yay! Okay, okay. And you don't want it too sweet. It'll choke you. Good.
Is that better, Bella?
She's really, really.
She knew it
coordinated.
turned.
She's really coordinated.
Let's see. How's it taste?
You don't shake it, you turn it. I forgot this had a thing. Just don't let him fall because his arms, he can't. That's cute.
What are you doing, Mason?
Put his arms in there and let him out in case he falls. Because he won't be able to like
His arms are in here.
all the way through. He won't be able to like.
He's
help
trying to take it off. She's gone though.
There he is.
Hey, baby.
Aw.
What they doing to you? Oh, what a good boy. Are you sitting like a good boy at Nana's house? Oh no, there he goes. Boy's gone wild. He's gone wild. Get her, Mason. Get her. You look like a pretty little girl. Just so you guys know, I tied his hair up in a ponytail. It came down a little bit just because it was so warm. Wanted him to be a little bit more cooler. But it was really cute when he had swim trunks on and no shirt with his hair tied up. We are going to cut his hair soon, but I'm just kind of afraid because he's 19 months now, but I'm kind of afraid like it's not going to be it's going to be like a disaster trying to get his hair cut. So I'm trying to prolong as long as possible just so he's more relaxed because you guys see how he's a little wild. Yeah, my girls were never like this. My son is just, he wants to get into everything. Look at that little Riley look right there. There's Riley right there. Yep. Riley's little mini-me. Yep. And Miss Bella. Audrey's little mini-me. Are you Riley's little mini-me? Oh, where'd he go? Like, stop filming me, Mom. But you're so cute. How's those Cheerios? Is it boy time? Is it boys time? Oh yeah. Oh, and girl time?
Right there.
Mm-hmm. Maybe. What's that? Is that nice? You like the picture?
Me too.
Yeah?
Mom,
What are you eating?
ice cream.
What kind of ice cream?
Unicorn ice cream. And you bite my cone off.
I did not bite your cone off.
My pokey thing.
So we got this ice cream from Aldi's. It was, oh my gosh, it was amazing. I literally had to fight people off for this ice cream.
There's the raspberry.
It is raspberry, good girl.
No, that is there.
Is it good? Oh, here comes Daddy.
Daddy, look at
Daddy.
Those lights are really bright. That should have a dimmer.
Oh my goodness, is that good?
Oh, it's raspberry ice cream.
Thank you, honey. It was really good. That was really good.
Of course. Is it good? Oh, how good is that?
so good.
Oh, so good.
I got lotion on myself.
Oh!
It's avocado.
Avocado?
Avocado and, let me see.
Oh, are you saying bye? Woo! What? What? Oh, goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Go, go. Mason, try to. Mason, come on. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Say goodbye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Ah.